Hello, Year 4. How are you? I'm Miss Marwa, your science teacher, and today we are going to discuss electricity. Are you ready? Electricity is all around us, and most of us use it every day. But do you really know what is electricity? First, electricity is a form of energy that make electric device work. So, this is what? This is called the main source. If you see this sign, you have to stay away because this is high voltage, right? What the meaning of high voltage? It means that it's a measure of the difference in the electric energy. This electricity with the high voltage can enter to the house and can make every device in the house work. Okay, but we have here the batteries. The batteries give us small volts. I can use it in a toy, in a remote control, or something like this. It's only to 12.4 volts. Okay, but the main source it's high volts, 220 to 240 volts. Okay, this is so dangerous. But how the electricity work? We have here a simple electric circuit. And what the meaning of circuits? We have to put the components together to make like it's look like a circuit. Okay, it's look like a circle. So I have here the battery, wire, and this wire is made of copper, okay, and light bulb and switch. If I put all these components together, I will get simple electric circuits, okay. So the circuit is called a closed path of electricity. I will put all the components together in closed path. What the meaning of path? Like a way. I will make a circle or a path or a way of these components together to make the light bulb light. Okay? To be on. So, to learn more about the electric circuit, we have to study their components. The first one is the battery or the cell. If I don't have any battery, there is no source of energy. So I get the energy or the electric current or the electricity from the battery. It has two terminals, positive and negative. Check it. Everyone have this battery in your house. Okay. So you have here the positive and negative. This is called positive charge and negative charge. Okay. The second component is called the copper wire. You know that the copper is a metal. It's kind of metal, but this metal make or allow the electricity to move through it. Okay? So this connects the components together. If I have the bulb, I need the wire to make the component to connect together with the battery. So it's made of metal to allow the electricity to move through it. So the copper here is a good conductor of electricity. What the meaning of good conductor? It's make the electricity move through it. Okay, so number 3 here I have the light bulb. The light bulb is like an evidence that the electricity move. If the light bulb lights on, so the electricity move in the circuit. If it's off, so there is no electricity. Number 4 is the switch. The switch it's important in making the electricity flow or stop flowing the electricity. Now it's closed. Okay, so if I have a wire and the bulb, the electricity will and the battery, the electricity will move through. But if I take it off, I make it off, okay, so it will not flow. And I have different shapes of switches. Okay, so look at this diagram. This is the circuit that I talk about. This is what I have here: a battery, a wire, and a lamp or bulb light. Okay, so here there is something here come and move through this circuits, right? From the battery, it's moving from the electrons from the electric currents move how? From the negative charge to the light bulb and through the wire and move to the positive and to the negative and through the light bulb again. So this is called what? Electric current. Electric current is flow of tiny particles from the negative charge to the positive charge around the circuit. So I'm asking you to bring one battery, one, two wires and a light bulb and connect it together. Okay, try to put it with the positive and the negative and you will get electric current. So look at these diagrams. Here in the first A I have a light bulb, I have a battery and the wire. So, and the light here is not on, right? Why the lamp is not working? Because what? This is incomplete circuit. The wires are not joined to the lamp, so the circuit is not closed and the electricity cannot travel through this path, right? So there is something is called a break or a gap in the circuit. Okay, in the second diagram B, I have the light bulb, the wire, and there is no battery. If there is no battery, there is no source of electricity, so the circuits will, this is incomplete circuits. So even if you joined up the wires, the lamp wouldn't light up, right? This is called a break or gap in the circuit. So if one component is not here, so the electric circuits will be incomplete, there will be break in the circuit or gap in the circuit. So an electric device will not work if there is a break anywhere in the circuit, in the light bulb, in the wire, cut in the wire, maybe something like the battery is not working well, the electricity cannot flow. Okay, and here this is a switch that I can use it at home to make the lights turn on and off, right? So I use it on purpose to safely break and complete the circuit. So can I use a scissor or something to cut the wire? It will be safe? No. So I'm using the switch to turn on and off. So to complete, when it's on, I will complete the circuit. When it's off, I will break the circuit so it will not working, so will be light. Okay, thank you guys. I'm going to add another video for the conductor materials. Okay, so thank you.